Good day, everyone. This is the Group 1's instructional material for visual, and this is called Rolled Up TV. In college, a roll-up TV-like instructional material used in storytelling is typically referred to as a roll-up banner display or a roll-up storytelling banner. It is a portable and retractable display that consists of a large printed banner that can be rolled up and stored in a compact base. This type of instructional material is commonly used by educators and presenters to enhance storytelling and visual presentations in college classrooms and other educational settings. The roll-up design allows for easy transportation and storage. The compact base and lightweight banner make it convenient to carry the instructional materials to different locations within the college campus. The large printed banner provides a visually appealing backdrop for storytelling. It can feature vibrant graphics, illustrations, or text that enhance the narrative and engage the audience. Setting up a roll-up TV-like instructional material is quick and straightforward. The banner can be easily unrolled and detached to support pull or set, providing an instant visual aid for storytelling. Roll-up banners are durable and designed for multiple uses. They can be used for various storytelling sessions or presentations throughout the college semester or academic year. Roll-up TV-like instructional materials can be customized to fit the specific storytelling theme or topic. Educators can create banners with the relevant images, text, or diagrams that support the narrative and facilitate learning. In college classrooms or lecture halls, space may be limited. Roll-up TV-like instructional materials offer space-saving solution as they can be set up in a small footprint and easily stored when not in use. This is a story about a young man named Manuel who aspired to become a priest. One day, he met a girl named Flora and fell deeply in love with her. However, Flora became very sick and Manuel was desperate to help her. Manuel made a heartfelt plea to the Lord, offering to give up his dream of being with Flora if only she could be healed. He promised to dedicate his life to serving the Lord instead. The Lord heard his prayer and Flora's health began to improve. Years later, Manuel, now a priest, saw Flora again in the church where he preached. To his surprise, Flora was accompanied by a young boy. Manuel learned that the boy was Flora's grandson and also his nephew because Flora had married Manuel's brother. This unexpected reunion brought joy and gratitude to Manuel's heart. It was a beautiful reminder of the love they had shared and the sacrifices they had made. They celebrated the reunion, cherishing the blessings of family and the power of faith. In this simple and short story, Manuel's love for Flora led him to make a sacrifice, becoming a priest in exchange for her healing. The reunion years later brought them closer once again, as family and love intertwined in a beautiful way.
Flora, nganong wala ka mutug-an ako nga doon na kay gibatyang sa imong kalingon. Nga naman, Sa dugay na tong panag-uban, wala kang musulti nga doon na di kay sakit. Kung sa'y pulos na ako, higugma ta ka, sugad pa man. Andam ka balo ka nga, andam na ako sakripisyo. Tanan pa ka lang nimo.
Mao ka na ang rason, Manuel. Nga maski pili na akong itago, kay baw ko nga imong ilabay, imong kinabuhi, para lang ka na ako.
Inana ang akong paghigugma, diya ka nimo, Flora. Andam kong makigsangka sa tanang mubabag sa atong panaghigugma ay. Andam kong biyaan ng tanan para kanimo. Flora, gihigugma ta ka.
Wala ba ka mahadlok, Manuel? Ginoo na ang nakigsangka sa atong paghigugmaay. Pagmata, Manuel!
Ginoo, unsa man kini imong gihatag kanako? Nganong si Flora pa man? Ngano? Ginoo, pasaylo ako sa akong nabuhat. Kabalo kong sayop kadto tanan apan gihigugma ko tuod siya. Ginoo, tabangi si Flora. Andam kong mabalik sa pagdebisyuda nimo. Ayaw lang wala ang kinabuhi niya. Ginoo, maluoy ka.
Oras sa Pilipinas, 24 minutos sa kadnilabayang alas 10. Kini nga tak na hatod kanato gikan sa Pride Bar Blue with Power Whitener. Dili lang puti, kisla puti.
Pila na katuig nawa na ko makiti si Flora. Apan sa usang higayon, wa ko magtuong. Mubalik siya.
Father,
Uy, Flora. Imuha da ito nga po?
hi, Father, si Manuel, akong apo.
Kamusta naman ka? Dugay na kang wala makiti.
Ikuyog magugos akong ginikanan dito sa US. Nakahuna-huna ko, nga dito na lang ko magpatambal. Apan, milabay ang panahon sa akong pagpundo dito. Ako nang nasuta nga cancer-free na daig ko. Karon usab magbalipayon ko nga nagtanaw nimo, Father. Nga sulob na nimo imong pagandoy.
Tuod man, nakita ko pagbalik si Flora. Tanan akong giampo nga maayo para kaniya. Natuman na. Wala man mahiuyo na mong duha ang panahon. Nagpabilin gihapon ko nga malipayon. Ay ang akong apelyido, gihapon ang iyang naangkon. Ug sa tanang higayon, magpabilin kong malipayon para ni Flora. Ug sa akong igsuon.